Hello, my name is Ruth Komuntale Muwanguzi. By the grace of God, I'm the Managing Director here at ECOCA East Africa. We deal in a solar cooker, and our solar cookers serve homes and big institutions like schools. They are solar electric, running 100% on the sun's energy, and they are battery powered, so they are able to run even when it's raining or when there is bad weather. We have been able to serve Uganda since 2019 and have since grown to over 7 countries in Africa, and serve schools, helps them to get off firewood and transition 100% to solar electric cooking. In our journey, we have had a few challenges, understanding the market and getting onto the market, but we have received good support from Niras, an energy enterprise coach who introduced us to Imuka. And Imuka have helped us maneuver a number of business issues. Through Imuka, we have been trained, for instance, on business modeling. We have learned financial management. We have been taught on HR development, talent management, tax compliance, social media marketing, how to create a marketing budget. Today, we are able to make projections of up to 5 years and be able to know this is the money we need to make, this is how we are going to make it, this is what it's going to cost us to make it, and this is what we will earn over the 5 years, for instance. We can plan for funding opportunities or growth opportunities. We are also able to look out on the market who we can partner with. The second phase that I was able to attend, we were being trained on 3 main topics, which was tax compliance, corporate governance, and joint ventures, social media marketing or marketing generally, human resource development, and talent management. As we celebrate Women's Day this year, I would just like to let all women know that there's something on the inside of them that is equipped to solve an industrial problem. Whatever it is that you find is deep within you to share with the world, it may be a skill, it may be a talent, it may be some creativeness that you have on the inside of you. Don't hold back. Reach out, share your skill or knowledge, develop something, create something, lead someone, lead some people, lead an organization, speak up and share your knowledge. And also seek out knowledge, because we probably would have been at a smaller growth pace if we kept all this ourselves. But we sought this kind of help and have received it today. And we are able to get better, also teach others and help others get to where we are getting. So for the women out there, creation groans for what is on the inside of you, and they are waiting for you to come out and solve industry problems. We are mothers, we are teachers, we are holding the world together with all the wisdom that we have, from nurturing all the way to setting out people that are able to create an impact in this country. I implore you to share this wisdom, to seek the guidance, and just be better each day. Happy Women's Day from me and from all the women at ECOCA East Africa and Pesito together.